Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an awesome week so far. I'm not really sure when this video is going to be posted. I actually don't really know what this video is going to be yet. It might just be like a weekly vlog. I think I'm gonna maybe try to do weekly vlogs from now on. There are some exciting upcoming things happening in my life, but nothing really exciting happening this week or next week. But we do have King's Day at the end of this month, which I think will definitely be a fun one to do. And then in May we are actually also going to Spain, which will also be really nice to bring you guys along for that. Yeah, but I think in between those exciting things that happen, I'll just do a week in my life type of content. You guys seem to have liked my previous videos, so yeah, I also really enjoyed editing and filming it, so I think that I'm just gonna stick to that for now. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna make myself a big cup of coffee this morning, and I need to finish this book. I have about this much left, but I'm just at a point now where like I need to know how this is gonna end. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna make myself a massive cup of coffee, and then I'm gonna come climb back into bed and I'm gonna try dive into this. It's so beautiful. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday today. It is currently like 8:10. I realized that I probably need to chat to you guys a bit because I haven't really been speaking to the camera a lot this week because one, I have honestly been quite busy doing work. I got some freelance work that I'm busy with, which is really nice. I'm very happy about it and I'm quite enjoying doing it so far. So I've just been focusing on that because I'm on like quite a tight deadline. That's why I haven't really been doing anything interesting. And even today I'm still just gonna sit behind the computer and try get it done. I'm wearing my Christmas jersey today. It's so comfy. The freelancing project that I'm working on now is actually for a tattoo and piercing studio, which is fun. So I have to do a website mock-up for them. I have to write the copy as well because I didn't receive any copy. I also have to make a brand guidelines book to show them what the brand will look like, what it will look like on different platforms, and what type of imagery and things like that they should use. So, fun things happening. I wanted to chat to you guys about this. So, I have a lot to say, but also not. It was really good. I did enjoy it. I felt that I kept on wanting to read more, and I just wanted to know what's going to happen at the end the whole time. There were a few points in the story where I felt, I know exactly what's going to happen. This is going to be so lame. But that did not happen. So at the end, I was a bit shook. That being said, I don't know. I do feel like there were some parts that were almost left unaddressed. There were some parts in the story that almost didn't need to happen, where I thought, why did that have to happen? I thought that it would maybe have an impact on the broader story. I think maybe I need to go read up a little bit about it. Maybe there's like hidden messaging or something. I'm not sure. I did feel like it was a bit drawn out. I kept on just wanting to know what was going to happen. But I guess that is also the point of a mystery book, is to you on your toes. Just felt like, come on, just tell me now. It wasn't a bad read. I did enjoy it. I felt like I was on the edge of my seat and it was suspenseful enough for me to rate it 4 stars. I've selected my next book. It's gonna be this one. I am so excited to read another Grady Hendrix book. He's amazing. I just felt like I needed a Grady moment. I know it's going to be a good time. I know it's going to be fast-paced. It's going to be witty, but still very mysterious and suspenseful and scary, I want to say. So it's going to be an entertaining read. I haven't read that much, but I have already started. And so far so good. It's kind of about this, it's a group of, I think there's more of them. Well, it's a group of final girls, and they have this support group where they meet, is it once a month? They just speak about their experiences, where they are at, how they're feeling. But if you guys don't know, a final girl is the final surviving, I guess, girl in this case, that survives serial killer attack. They all survived attacks when all their friends were basically murdered. So they obviously live in fear. They're scared to go out of their houses. And then basically what this book is about, one of the women in the support group, she doesn't show up. So then they obviously become very paranoid, and then it says here, that is until one of the women misses a meeting and Lynette's worst fears are realized. Someone knows about the group and is determined to take their lives apart again, piece by piece. So basically this woman is in trouble and they need to figure out what is going on. Yeah, so I'm very excited for this one. The reason why I like Grady Hendrix is because I feel like there's always, okay, well, wittiness is definitely the main factor, I would say, that makes it super entertaining. Like even the dynamic between the women in the support group, I feel like is, I don't want to say realistic, they kind of like bicker at each other, and they're like not afraid to like speak their mind. So I feel like that makes it very interesting. And then also I do feel like there's kind of like a deeper meaning normally to his books. I feel like at the core of, okay, well, I've only read one of his books before, but that book, and I think this one will be the same because I'm already starting to get the same energy from it. He definitely likes female empowerment and emphasizing misogyny. Like the female characters in his book usually like stand up against misogyny, and yeah, he definitely puts focus on empowering women, which I quite enjoy. But yeah, that's basically all I want to say about this book. Excited. But anyway, I am gonna sit down by my laptop now and do some more work.
The plot started to become evident. The Peacock and Mannequins mainly looked the strongest. The two white guys.
Hello guys, I just realized that I haven't filmed anything today. It is Thursday today and it's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been busy with some freelance work and that has honestly kept me very busy. And also, like I've mentioned, the weather this week has been not so great. It's been kind of raining the whole week, so I haven't really gone out or anything like that for walks or runs or anything. Sorry, this thing maybe looks a bit weird, but I am gonna go for a run now because it is actually clear outside for a change. Let me show you guys. A little bit cloudy. Let's hope it doesn't rain. So I'm gonna do that now. I don't think I'm gonna do a a very long run. I think I'm just gonna do 3 kilometers maybe. And then it's time to come home and make supper. And my boyfriend and I have been watching The Gentleman, which is really, really good. If you guys need any recommendations for series, Gentleman is very good. I'm gonna go now and I will probably see you guys when I get back. This whole week is just a bit of a blur. The days pretty much feel the same. Wake up, do work on my computer, do a workout, eat, watch series and sleep. I also don't want to bore you guys with me doing the same stuff every single day. I don't know what we're going to make for supper, but if we make anything interesting, I will show you guys. Otherwise, I will probably see you tomorrow morning.